So for this sample, I started by adding a Rhodes, and the Rhodes is from a VST called For Front, and this is how the Rhodes sound like. So the Rhodes is just playing simple minor chords with bass notes. There's nothing major going on. After that I added a pad vox, and this is how the pad vox sound like. And after the pad vox I added a synth. The synth is from a plugin called Yamaha CS35, and this is how it sounds like. So it's following the exact same notes as the pad, so there's nothing major going on here. It's just making the sample basic makes it sound better overall later on. So after that I added a brass synth from Aminator 2, and this is how it sounds like. I then followed it up with a trumpet from Expand, and this is how it sounds like. The reason why the trumpet sounds like that is because it has delay. I added fruity delay to the trumpet, and to the bells I did nothing. So these are the bells that I'm talking about, and they're also from Expand. They sound like this. So with the bells I wanted something dreamy that will catch a person's ear, and that's why I opted for a bell for this type of sample. After that I added my own vocals, and they sound like this. Where are my vocals? Okay, I think these are my vocals. They sound like this. Forever. So it's just me singing forever. So I was making a sort of like an accent to the sample more than singing. So another accent I added is this accent, and it sounds like this. I then added a guitar after that, as well as a guitar loop called Diva Bedroom Beats 01, and this is how it sounds like. So the guitar on its own sounds detuned, but in the mix it sounds good. So that's why I left it like that. And for the trumpets I added a delay. And for the vocals I added a plugin that takes away white noise called X Noise Stereo from Waves. And then I added a chorus plugin, and this is how it looks like. I then added a Valhalla Vintage. It's a reverb. I also added Fruity Delay too. And after that I added Master Effects, which I added Good Hertz, Wow Control 3, and a PX limiter to bring the gain up a little bit. So I won't open the Wow Control 3 because it's doing some things today, but yeah. So this is the final sample, and it sounds like this. So yeah, that's the final sample. Thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video if you liked it. And my samples will be in the description as always. Thank you very much. See you next week.